Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nars Johnston. So this time for this video, I created this orangey look. I used the palette from Syed Faisal, which is the Mata palette. It is a Malaysian local product. So if you like this look, keep on watching. So first of all, I will go in with the NRC Luxury Water before I apply any makeup. So as you can see, I have red spots on my skin. So I am going in with this HD Pro Conceal Orange Corrector from LA Girl. So I will just put it under my eyes and on the red spots, on the dark circles, and I will just take a beauty blender and blend it. And then I go in with the Nars concealer in the coat medium 1 to cover the orange corrector. And then I am using the same beauty blender to blend the concealer. This time I am using the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the code 310. So this foundation, it is a 24 hours wear. It is suitable for combination or oily skin. Yes, this foundation can last up to 24 hours. You all should try it. To contour, I am wearing this cream contouring from H&M. I bought it from the Sunway Pyramid outlet. It is my current favorite cream contouring. It is only 45 ringgit. It is affordable. It is creamy, it is easy to blend. Some cream contouring, you have to add some oil, but for this one, you don't have to. So to set my foundation, I am using this Chanel translucent powder. I am using the translucent loose powder from Chanel to set my under eye. Ta-da! Okay, that is my eyebrow done. Yes, done. To make sure that my eyeshadow colors popped, I am applying the Pro Long Wear Paint Pot from MAC in the code Painterly. Yes. So for the eyeshadows, I am using this palette from Syed Faisal. It is the Eye Palette Chapter 1. For my transition color, I am wearing the code M4. So I will just blend and build the color layer by layer and blend it well. And then I apply the eyeshadow in the code M3 to deepen my crease. And then I take the eyeshadow color in the code M2, so I just apply it on my eyelids. For my under eye, I take the same shades M4 and then I apply M3 and then I apply the last color, which is M2. For the eyelids, I add on with the code M5, the shimmer eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at that, it is super pigmented. So for my contouring, I add on with the Makeup Forever contouring powder in the code S114. For blusher, I am wearing the Zoeva blusher in the code Last Love. For the highlighter, I am going in with the Becca in Champagne Pop. Oh my god, look at that! This is my favorite highlighter. Seriously, it is stunning. Stunning, look at that. Yes, look at that. I am applying all over my face because it is beautiful. To complete this look, I am wearing the lipstick from MAC in the code Kinda Sexy. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. So please don't forget to watch my previous video. Hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Kisses.